If you just deleted important photos, WhatsApp chats, contacts, or even videos from your phone, don't panic, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you step by step how to recover your lost data using EaseUS MobiSaver. Alright, let's get started. First, use the link pinned in the comment section below. That link will take you directly to the official EaseUS MobiSaver page. So you are downloading the latest version. And another advantage of using that link is you will also get access to the free version, which lets you restore individual items right away if they are recoverable. Now, once the page opens, you will notice some main options. You will see the iOS version for iPhones and the Android version. I use a Samsung, so I'm going to select the Android version. With the free edition, you can restore up to 5 contacts at once and 1 photo or video, giving you a risk-free first look at your lost data. No payment is required. Later, if you want to recover more files, unlimited photos, or WhatsApp chats, the Pro version is right here. But for now, let's focus on getting started with the free version. Once the file finishes downloading, open it to begin installation. Once the installer opens, click Install. The installation only takes a few seconds. When it finishes, click Start Now to launch the EaseUS MobiSaver. Now we are inside the software. You will see a clean interface asking you to connect your device if you chose the iOS version for iPhone. But for Android devices, simply click Recover from Android device. I am using Android for this demonstration, so I will go ahead to connect my phone. Now this is very important. We need to enable USB debugging. Don't worry, I'll walk you through it. On your Android phone, go to Settings. Scroll down and tap About Phone. At the bottom section, tap Software Information. Now find Build Number. When you locate it, tap on Build Number 7 times quickly. You will see a prompt asking you to allow development settings. Tap on OK to confirm. And from there, you are now a developer. Now go back to the settings and open the developer options, which will be at the lower bottom. Over here, simply turn on USB debugging. And that's it. Now look back on your computer. EaseUS MobiSaver should detect your device automatically. The MobiSaver will ask you to take the types of data you would like to recover. When done, click Next. If prompted, allow any permissions it requests on your PC or Mac. From there, permissions will be sent to your iPhone or Android. Allow all the permissions to begin the scanning. The software will now scan your device for deleted data. This may take a few minutes, depending on how much data you have. Once the scan is complete, you will see categories on the left side. Click on any category to preview your deleted files. This is the powerful part. You can actually see what's recoverable before restoring anything. Select the items you want. Then click Export to PC or Mac. Choose a location on your computer to save the files. I recommend saving them to your desktop so you can find them easily. And that's it. Your files will now be restored. Now, if you were able to recover exactly what you needed using the free version, that's amazing. But if you are seeing a lot of more recoverable files, that's where the Pro version becomes worth considering. With Pro, you can recover with no limits. If you decide to upgrade, use the same link pinned in the comment section to get access to any current discounts they are offering, along with their 30-day money-back guarantee.